Finals. 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 Finals.
Finals week honestly wasn't that bad.
Hi, I'm Nick DeMarchis, and I'm a first-year computer engineering major here at Bucknell.
It was just a lot of studying, goofing off, studying, eating, exchanging gifts, balancing weights in physics class, playing a little bit of music, typing weird numbers into my calculator, taking weird pictures outside of the ELC, studying, and playing VR dance games. Thanks to the amazing people here, the TAs, the professors, everyone, we made it through finals week. And even though it was stressful, it was still kind of fun in the end.